Man, I hope this video works out okay.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Timer cleared. Takeoff flaps. Timer start.
You're clear.
Flaps up.
I'm gonna stay up there a little bit just in case.
Well, it's blending in up there.
Time remaining. 1
Man,
minute.
you keep it up there. That speed, that's actually faster than I wanted to go. But it didn't load up at that speed. Like, it's going up too a lot. It's climbing big time. So I need to put some down in it. Let's see, this hand's free. Right there. Okay, there you go. No, they flies. Uh-oh, spitting and sputter. Oh, that's probably because I bought it there. I'm gonna land it.
I can kind of see the red light there.
You can?
Yeah.
Takeoff flaps.
Did you, how's this compare to the, your
Time
other big one?
remaining. 3 minutes.
Oh, it's hard to tell.
Landing flaps.
It should slow it way down there.
Yeah. You're alright. Looking good, Cargy.
Oh. It didn't die this time, though.
You can see the lights landing.
Uh-huh. It does okay in the grass.
Yeah. It's just like two of mine. It's nose light.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's right on balance.
Nah, you can't see those little lights at all, okay? If it's not...
You see the lights on
Yeah.
the I can see the red.
Man, that thing sounds like it's knocking pretty hard. I don't know if it's just a characteristic of 4-stroke. I guess I'm just not used to that Logan.
Beautiful.
That was no flaps. It takes off better with no flaps.
It looks more real.
Uh-huh.
Takeoff flaps. Time remaining. 1 minute. Landing flaps.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah, you're fine. You're in good shape. Looking good. You see it now?
Yeah. I still don't see the lights.
I do.
Nah, I do.
Yeah.
I gotta work on my landing, though.
Yeah.
I want to get that little greasy in landing. I don't want that bouncy stuff.
9, 8,
Oh, wow,
7,
That's what it sounds like, doesn't it?
4, 3,
I just think it's good.
1.
It might be.
Fire.
Alright, it's my first, check my cutoff. It's slow, but it works.
Yeah.
I think it's even got a spot in there. It says so you can make it turn off slow
I
or...
saw that, yeah.
It
Flag
works.
up.
I'm happy with it.